What's wrong with you, man? I'm pretty sure most people are prosecuted everywhere I go. What the fuck has it done for you? Take everything. Take you turn it over.